TL Travelers, and welcome back to the TL Travel YouTube channel. Today we have just arrived in the beach town of Sanur on the island of Bali. I'm really sorry about the quality of the video at the moment, but my lens is fogging up in the heat and there is nothing I can do about it. So it started off today as a little bit of a rainy day, but that was perfect for two reasons. One, because it cooled things down a little bit, and two, because we were driving anyway, so it made absolutely no difference, and now the rain is out of the way and we can start our day. So we are just going to head downstairs and have some late breakfast and then maybe tour you around a little bit. So let's go. Thank you. Always delicious. Okay, so after that lazy morning and also going to get my laundry done, which I was super stoked to do, we are going to head into Sanur, hopefully get a bit of a massage, because who doesn't love a massage, and then grab some dinner. So we're just trying to flag down a taxi now, which I think we might have just done. Did we flag a taxi successfully?
I don't know. There's one that's at the light turning around.
I think the taxi's coming back for us. I guess we'll see.
To our hotel?
Hello.
Hello.
Meter? Okay, so out of the cab, that cab driver, we asked him specifically to put on the meter, and when we got in, he did not put on the meter, and he tried to charge us $15 for a like $2 cab ride, which we refused, and eventually he just let us pay what he knew it was supposed to cost. $2. And then we ducked into a massage parlor and got some massages. You feeling good?
Yeah.
Yeah, feeling better. And now we're on our way for food. So yeah, let's get something to eat because I'm starting to feel that hanger real bad. We are back home at the room. I'm really sorry if this lighting is kind of messed up. Dinner was fabulous. Our day was great. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish this vlog off here for you guys. We just took a evening dip and then a shower, so that's why I look a hot mess. So in our next video, we'll be renting a driver and heading out like up north, I think probably is our plan, to see some waterfalls and a bunch of other things that we want to check off of our bucket list. So you're not going to want to miss that. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, definitely do. We post new videos every Thursday and Sunday, and yeah, that's gonna be it for me for today. So till next time, stay great, travel safe, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.